take a sock here, chuck it against the brake, and it sticks. What am I doing?
So happy together. And how is the weather? So happy together. We're happy together. So happy together. So happy
The camera makes them seem far away, but they're literally like no more than 40 feet from me. But they're like, come on. Is there a rock? I need a rock. Hey! 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 Ah! Jeez, that looks pretty good. Hey! Hey! Do something! Hey! Okay, I'm getting closer now. I'm ready to run, dude. I cannot run these guys even though I'm in freaking boots. And let me zoom out, see how far they are. That's what it looks like. I'm not zoomed in. Hey! What are you gonna do? Huh? Freaking stinky fat hippos? What are you gonna do? Yeah, they don't care anymore. They realize if it's a gimmick, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm freaking scared. Dude, if I found a rock, I'd do something. Sheesh. No rocks. Bye! Oh, he's not leaving yet. Love you! Bye! Hey! Some cows here. Oh no. Yeah, obviously, because that was the dumbest question I've asked him out. I'm just gonna focus on this guy. He's staying here. He acts like he's tough. Hey, you tough? Hey! Bud. You think you're tough or something? Not as tough as me. Hey! Yeah, they're done. He's looking at me, but I think they're done. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's my adventure. I thought I was gonna get some action of a cow getting angry, but they kind of just walked me back slowly. Anyways, I'm gonna go find where everyone else is.
Is that your final answer?
Because I don't want to get lost. We're in Idaho pheasant hunting, and I kind of did a little adventure. So, see you next time on Logan Baller Vlogs. Keep it going.
Hi, I just need to warm up my hands real quick.
Huh?
I just need to warm up my hands real quick.
Bot.
from a foreign place. She was so phenomenal. Give me a bit of your euphoric sensation. Hey, going through something. things, we run everything. Take my mind off the stress and the strain. Oh, you my Mary, Mary, Mary.
Pick that up.
Totally clear it. That's funny.
What are you doing? Go! Forward motion! What are we doing here, Brendan? Holy cow!
Is a baller. Around the ball and to the hoop. Now for Kamika, baller with the tail.
I need to get a better one, and then you can tell it.
Okay.
Ready?
Logan, baller with the jumper. Oh, a full circle, folks. Time for Kamika, baller with the tail whip.
I actually went far that time. Didn't Key tell it?
Is this the church? Is this the church where you're like this? And
Yeah.
you're on the
Yeah, that's this one. Oh, yeah, I know.